What's up guys? Another watch, another day. Area 21 construction nga pala guys. Ayan.
Area 29.
Sila guys yung... Ay! 21. Area 29. Wait lang. Ulit. What's up guys? Another watch, another day. Area 29 nga pala guys. Construction firm sila. Yan. Guys, sila yung nag-construct dito sa Gentry Time Pieces sa atin na shop. Kaya, thank you so much guys. Magka-final payment na tayo kasi natapos na nila ayusin yung mga kailangan ayusin. Etong 500 la final payment namin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, this is 40. Pabilang na lang. Wait, plus na lang. Okay, 540. Etong 5,000, pakibigay kay Badjun.
Wow!
Ano niya? Doon sa electrician nyo ha. And then, madam, this is your bonus. Thank you so much.
Wow! Thank you.
Bonus ni ma'am kasi siya yung head architect for this, ano, sa buong project.
Bonus namin.
Ang ganda. Bonus nyo ito. Ma'am, thank you ha.
Thank you.
Doon sa office na lang ulit namin ha.
Thank you.
Ayusin natin.
Thank you.
Done deal.